everyone. Welcome to Japesh Financial Solutions. Today I want us to talk about investment, and majorly I'll tackle on money markets. What is money markets? That is a question I've heard for so many times. Jane, explain to me, how does money market work? What money market is? In a layman's language, it's that money that you bring to a fund manager and they are able to invest on your behalf to other places like bonds, government T-bills and bank depositories, and they're able to make a certain interest. Once they make that interest, they come back to you and give you back your principal with an increment on interest rates. Most of these fund managers always give an interest rate of between 8% to 9.5%, depending on the type of company, a withholding tax of 15%. So in case like I invest my money in a company that gives me 9.5%, my net take home is 8%, okay? In a layman's language, I have $1 million Bob shillings. I contact Japesh Financial Solutions and tell them, invest for me this amount of money in a money market account. They get that company that gives 9.5%. What I'll take home will be around 80,000 Kenya shillings. If I had put that money in the bank for that 1 year, I would have not made that 80,000. But if I invested, I have made that 80,000, and it will be able to cater for my other needs. There are 3 reasons why I advise my clients to invest in money markets. Number 1, for your emergency funds, for your sinking funds, and for your investment portfolio. I'll start with what an emergency fund is. It's basically that amount of money that you put aside for the unknown emergencies happening, those unknown expenses that just pop up. You are driving and then you get a tire burst, and immediately it's that time of the month and you didn't have any other money that you had put aside for that emergency. So what you do, you just go to your money market account, the emergency fund, part of it, and withdraw some amount of money and fix your tire. I'm walking on the streets of Nairobi, my phone gets snatched away. How do I even get another phone immediately? But if I have an emergency fund account, at least I'll be able to buy myself a new phone. The second thing is sinking fund. Basically, this is where you put money for the budgeted expenses. Like example, you have been wanting to improve your TV, and you can't just wake up in the morning, take money and just go buy that TV. But if you have a budget and you start in putting aside that money on a monthly basis, see, you'll be able to achieve your goal and get that TV. And finally, for your investment portfolio, and this is where I mean, instead of like you've been having a goal of buying property, car, instead of just giving the bank and putting that money in the bank just to lay there, you can invest this money in the money market account, and at the end of the day, it still attracts that interest. For more details on this, contact us on 0743 000 222 or DM us in our social media services at Japesh Financial Solution. Thank you so much.